Learn how parameters allow you to pass information to methods in C#. They make methods flexible and adaptable. This lesson covered how parameters work, including passing data into methods and calling them with arguments. What are parameters? Parameters are placeholders in methods that let you send information when calling the method. Adding parameters. Adding parameters makes your methods more flexible by letting you input different values. Multiple parameters. You can define multiple parameters by separating them with commas. Calling with arguments. Arguments are the actual values you pass to parameters when calling the method. Using default values. You can assign default values to parameters, making them optional during a method call. Parameters let you make methods flexible and reusable. Practice creating methods with single or multiple parameters and passing arguments.